Alright guys, welcome to an update video on the daily analysis that I've shared with you guys on 4th of August. So before jumping into the current price section, let's just look at the anticipation and analysis that I've shared with you guys on 4th of August. So let's play this out. There could also be a manipulation, something like this where price action makes a range, manipulates to the upside to trap the retailers, and then eventually push all the way back down into this inverse fair value gap. So this now, if you look at the current price section on the daily time frame, spot on analysis, spot on prediction, there was a manipulation and drop to the downside. And if you look, like, you can also say it's a manipulation, or you can simply say it's price action tapped into the supply and then it dropped. And this dodgy candle was a confirmation on the daily time frame that price action is taking a pause towards the bullish side, and there might be a reversal, and also like we were tapping into this supply zone. Now if we look at this, the move from the top to bottom, like, it's 800 pips of a move for a swing trade. If you guys followed the last analysis, congratulations. Now let's talk about what we can expect from the price action for this week. Now if you look at this, we are kind of like tapping into this zone right here. This is my breaker block right here. And after tapping here, we are having extreme rejections from the discounted zone of this breaker block, right? Talking about the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour structure, overall structure on the high time frames is still bearish, especially on the 1 hour time frame. The structure is bearish where the price action is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and probably now it's just going up to make another lower high, give us rejections, and drop again. So as long as the candles on the 1 hour time frame, the price action is not closing above 3360, I'm still bearish on gold, right? You can say like 3360, it's a swing point, but internal structure shift would be at 3345. So as long as the price is below 3345, it's candles that are closing below 3345, we're still bearish on gold. Let's talk about the weekly time frame. Let's look at the weekly time frame. So we can see that weekly candle is still bearish, 2 days to close, and there's a possibility. There's a lot of liquidity residing below these key levels right here. So as I said, on a lower time frame, as long as your structure is bearish, any pullback with rejections, any pullback for the price action to make a lower high with rejections would be a good sell opportunity back on back. So let's see what happens in the price action. But if we talk about this swing analysis that I've done on 4th of August, it's spot on, 800 pips of a move to the downside. So with this update and what we can expect from gold for this week, I'm going to conclude this video. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Happy trading.